If you have like a blue one, the white, like a bright color because it won't stick to you that much. It's just to go like this. That's what I'm trying to teach you guys. That I actually turned into pudding. You could just use my scale, cause I'm not playing around. I haven't paused it, but when I got the lotion, this I have, cause it wasn't in another room. It's mine. It wasn't here, but I went to grab it. So this is how it turns out. It's stretchy, it's stuff like that. It lasts forever. Okay, when you're done, throw this. It won't stain nothing, it will just show it. Yeah, I'll just leave that. Not all of it. You wanna. Okay. Next, you're gonna use soap again. Oh wait, it won't come out. I'm gonna add a little bit. I'm gonna add some lotion. One drop. It's a baby one. I just want for no reason. I'm gonna mix that. I'm gonna mix that. I'm gonna use this right now, later. I'm gonna mix it. It kind of looks like slime, but it's not slime again. I'm gonna take another piece of my slime, put it in there, and then you're gonna do the same thing. Just let it combine in there, let it get starchy. But this one won't get that starchy for the first one, only if you add a lot. Sorry guys, I'm because I'm sick. Please pray for me and Samantha. We're both sick, but I haven't gone to Samantha's house because I already went last time when I wasn't sick. So this is how it's going to turn out. Yeah. If you want, you can add more, but I'm not adding them. So yeah, I'm just gonna play with this for a little bit. And then for the rest, if you can get it out of a container like this, because this used to be a gummy bear. I ate it all. You guys tell me which one's the best. I'm gonna throw this away. It's not gonna stick, I promise. Okay, I'm gonna clean this. Okay, wait, I'm gonna be right there, guys. I'm not pausing this, so I'm back. I'm untangling it. Wait, guys, wait, let me see. This is not going in there, I don't know why. Okay, I got some a little bit in there. So, I add some soap in there. Some of this. Make sure it's all white. I keep dropping this. I'm still putting this in here. It still looks like slime. Everything looks like slime, but it's not. Keep repeating that. So this one looks kind of different because I did not put any in. This one was the last one, and it looks a little bit different. I like Hayden and Andy's songs because it's like, little did you know. So I'm still adding some more because it's not. I dropped it. Okay, so I'm just going like this. Okay, so this one isn't working that much, but it's still gonna make it stretchy and not hard like pudding. But it does go like. I'm gonna combine all mine, so I'm gonna save this one. On top of this. some of that, I already add some of that. I'm gonna add some baby oil in here. I'm gonna mix all of them that I did. Because I'm mixing all of them, I'm remaking all of them to show you how it looks like. So I'm gonna add this alcohol. I didn't add too much alcohol. Okay, too much alcohol, too much alcohol. Too much alcohol. So, yep, I'm gonna put this back. I'm gonna replace this. I'm gonna replace this. Place this, I'm gonna put this back over here. Okay, so I'm gonna keep adding. I'm gonna refill. Okay guys, I'm gonna refill all of this container because I used it all. Because I made another video. It did not work that much, so I'm gonna put this set right here. I'm just gonna act like nothing happened because it was halfway. Oh shoot, I don't want it to break, so I'm gonna put a little bit over here. I just tried to make slime and then I learned this hack like for no reason. Because people don't know how to make your slime sticky again. Like they just use lotion, perfume, and something for the outfit. No, that's not good. There you go. Then I add some soap in there. Now you wanna put that back right there. Put this back like if nothing ever happened. Okay, so I'm gonna mix it. Okay. Okay. So this is how it's gonna look. I don't want to split. Wait. Okay, it's because I can't put it there. Okay, so I'm mixing this one in here. It smells more like alcohol, but it doesn't matter because it doesn't make it that stretchy. Because, say which one worked the best. This one is the same one. And this one is the first one. This one is the second one. This one, I think I like this one. I'm gonna put this one in there, mix with his. So I just learned how to make this for no reason. So I'm gonna mix these three all together and just go like this. I'm gonna finish after today. Okay? This is how to make your slime sticky again. So I want you to put in the container. You have your slime in here. You want to add it in there, not too much, and then make holes. Mix it, because the bottom of my slime is not that sticky. So I'm just grabbing this, grabbing everything. Tell me how was Halloween? Was it good? Was it bad? I'm just asking. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please make this hack. This hack really worked. And see you my next shot, and subscribe. Hit that bell button. Comment down below what next video should I make. Bye!